On February 12, 2024, I'd witnessed this incredible thunderstorm, producing severe flooding and massive lightning strikes. This storm was truly a spectacle to watch, and it's one of the most incredible storms I've ever witnessed to date. The storm is down that direction. That was a bolt. There should be some lightning. What was that? That was above us or something. There we go. Okay, lightning just started happening in another direction. Looks like we have lightning also happening down there. It's much less clear. Straight down behind us. Straight down, massive CG. It's like this side of the storm might hit us with some rain. On the other side is lightning going on literally everywhere. There's a huge CG. Did you see that? Did you see that? There we go again. I've got two potential areas where I can point. Deep rumbles of thunder. There we go. Whoa! Holy sh! I'm definitely pointing the camera in this direction. 180 or 200 degrees around me. It's to a higher place. Whoa! I would have got that. I would have absolutely got that. Deep bolts. Whoa! Both sides. Oh yes, that was a bolt. That was massive. Completely translucent masses. And that's. Whoa! Should have got that far. Oh my god. It's waiting for a huge. Whoa, okay. It's waiting for a huge bolt to come down somewhere. That was massive. That was gigantic. Wow. Oh, the rain's gonna come now. The rain's gonna come. Whoa, again. I think that was directly above us. Yeah, that was directly above us. Right now, I mean, whoa, that was a bit of a bolt. I need to get some shots of the storm behind. Whoa, this was low. That was lightning, so I don't know where to point. It's everywhere now. Got big bolts of lightning now going on all around me. Whoa, what is again sort of above us. It's literally directly above us, this storm. This storm is mad. This storm is absolutely insane. This storm means business. I need to try and get some. I wish I got some photos of this lightning. That just. That was bolts. know what's the point. So. Massive bolt just came down there. Just about saw that out the corner of my eye. Jesus, that's what I wanted, a big bolt like that to come. No, this is literally just. I don't know where that was. Jesus. I can start taking photos now. I have to get a long exposure. That was down there. Where was that? I mean, it's happening literally above us. That wing. Scared the shit out of him. Oh my god. That was huge. Oh, the massive bolts. So I'm on a tripod. So I can get it down and just. There's a bolt, must have been a bolt directly above us. Come on, I'm trying to just get this done. Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna have to lower the exposure that was behind us. I'm gonna lower the exposure just by one notch. Right now the rain needs to come in, brilliant. My tripod doesn't even want to stand up. Just go into the garage. Try and film from here because it's almost directly above us. Yes! I think I would have got that. Let's wait now. Oh my god! That was a big bolt. I hope I got that. Please tell me I got that. Rain's really starting to come in now. It's going to be heavy, heavy, heavy rain. Massive flashes of lightning. The rain is coming down very heavy. I'm not going to try and get a shot of that. I'm under the shelter, I'm fine. There's loads of flashes of lightning. Damn. There's flashes of lightning everywhere. I don't know what's the point. Jesus. Damn it. This is ridiculous. The rain is really heavy. This is really just the start of it. Damn it. That was massive. Everywhere. Yeah, literally in the storm. There's a point Damn, please tell me I got that. No! Shit. Just down there, literally. I would have completely missed that. There's huge bolts coming down, really pounding down the rain. I would have got that, I would have got that, I would have got that. It's happening down there. Got that on camera, that was massive. Huge bolts of lightning, huge ones. Large amounts of rain coming down now. I'm gonna head to the other side. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Seriously, that must be one there. The rain's definitely calming down now as well. I think the storm's leaving. It looks like we have fresh stuff kind of coming out of this area down here, but we've also got the old system behind us, so I just don't know where to go. Oh, that was a bolt. That was definitely a bolt. That bolt again. You can describe the rain. Silent now. Pretty silent. Oh my god, that was a bolt. Definitely. There was a massive bolt. It just came right down there. Literally, I would have caught that on the camera, but it was in the middle of the shot, so I stopped. It's a really big bolt, huge one, straight down in the middle of the filming frame. Wow, that's amazing. You can actually hear the mosque, the calls of prayer. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Yeah, I mean the storm's still, it looks like it's still going a bit. Still some rumbles, thunder, but I think it's mostly over with. Oh, that was a little flash there actually. That was quite big actually, yeah. There's definitely more lightning going on. Somewhere up there. Big lightning bolts. Whoa, what was that? That was behind. It's good. We're going to see if this continues on throughout the day. I think it's still forecast. And that was a big bolt. Huge bolts down there. So I'm planning to... Oh, now down here, okay. Right, apparently all across this area. It's everywhere. And we've got massive lightning strikes just going on down there now as well. I don't know at the point. I'm missing multiple bolts. One minute there's loads of lightning, and then the next there's virtually nothing. I can still see some lightning going on down in this direction. It's just happening down there, it's just not much. Damn, that is
So this
a
is
lot.
the
That's
issue we have here.
that's real flooding. My gosh. That's a proper flood.
Try to find the truck.
Oh my
We're gonna have
goodness.
to cross this. And I don't know, should I go here?
Whoa.
I thought it's a bit slower, but okay. Okay, this is probably flooding because people are being a bit anxious.
Oh my goodness. Look at the traffic it's causing. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that.
Amy, then we can make a video.
I'll make a video. Oh, so thank you, appreciate it. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. As incredible as this thunderstorm was, it would only be a few hours till I'd witness another incredible thunderstorm, with some of the most amazing horizontal lightning I've ever seen. With that said, consider liking, subscribing, commenting and sharing this video so it can get out as far as possible. And if you enjoyed this video, I highly suggest you check out one of these videos shown here.